Okay, so in this short video, I want to describe what everybody is going to do with this bag of mixed loose sediment. So this is bag number 5.1, mixed loose sediment, and it's going to be used to hopefully show you guys how these sediments, these detrital sediments, are formed. Okay, so we talked about having conglomerate, sandstone, and shale, and we talked about how we have a high energy, a mid energy, and a low energy environment associated with each one. So this is really where we bridge the gap between humans and the environment, looking at rocks. So as you go out onto the beach, you're going to see just, a lot of sand out there. That means, since we see sand there, that means that that's a great environment for sandstone to form. So what other environments do we think we're going to find these different rocks in? So in your bag of mixed loose sediment, that's exactly what it is. You can see that there are different grain sizes from the pebbles to the sand, and there's also some very small grain sizes in there you can't necessarily see for shale. What I would like everybody to do is I would like for you to take your sediment and pour it into a clear plastic container. So you can use a water bottle, or maybe a pickle bottle, a pickle jar, or something that has got some room in it. So maybe even a 2 liter if there was or a liter plastic bottle.
Are we not going to do it?
We can do it in a little bit. I don't have a bottle here, so but we'll do it next week and show it to them.
Awesome.
When you do that, you're going to first pour in your sediment, then you're going to fill up your bottle about 3/4 of the way. You're going to cap your bottle and you're going to vigorously shake it. After you vigorously shake for about 30 seconds, I want you to put your bottle down and then record what happens using a camera, probably on your phone. I'd like you to take a picture at about 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, a minute, and then maybe 5 minutes, 30 minutes, and kind of move your way on until it looks like most of the sediment has settled out. What I want you to record is what type of layering you see, if any. So we're going to look to see which size sediment settles first, last, and then you're going to be able to tell which one of these rocks you would expect to form under a high energy, which would be right after you finish shaking, and then under a low energy, which would be after it's had time to sit still for a while. So give that a shot, and maybe next week we'll be able to do it ourselves and show people what we came up with.